What a grey week it's been. But don't worry, things are set to get a lot more lively as we head through the weekend. Before we get into the forecast though, I thought you might just like to see this tweet from Met Forecast. It says Britain's opening their curtains for the next 4 months. Yes, just different shades of grey. But actually, no. It looks like we're also going to see some blues, that from rain, but also a little bit of blue sky at times because our high pressure, our cloudy high, is moving out the way, pushed out of the way by this area of low pressure that's going to bring us some far more active weather, and we are going to see more in the way of rain and some sunshine in between the showers as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe as we take a look at the weather in a bit more detail. And let's start with Saturday. Now on Saturday, it's still going to be rather grey for most of us, but this time the winds will be feeding up from the south. So there's a better chance that in parts of Scotland, particularly the other side of the hills, there'll be some breaks and there'll be more in the way of sunshine. Most of us, though, still rather grey. A few spots of rain are likely at times, particularly around some of the coasts in the east. But look at what's happening over the western parts of Ireland. We've got a lot of heavy rain, strong winds beginning to roll in here. And then during the afternoon, we'll see some of those outbreaks begin to work their way into the southwest and into parts of Wales. And on Sunday, that heavy rain and the strong winds will be here over the western parts, working their way into parts of Scotland as well. This all works its way eastwards. Behind it, it will brighten up. So more in the way of sunshine coming through for Ireland by around lunchtime. But then the showers will start, and some of these, again, will be very heavy with the odd rumble of thunder at times as well. So all looking very wet for most of us as we head through the day on Sunday, and it's still unsettled as we head into the next working week. So Monday, we've got some showers in the south from the word go, and these are being pushed in on some rather brisk winds, and then most of us will see those showers rattling through as we head through the day. In fact, for some of us, they're likely to band together to give some more prolonged outbreaks of rain at times. On Tuesday, yet more showers, but this time not quite as heavy and not quite as many of them, but still unsettled. And even as we head into Wednesday, it's looking unsettled again with more wet weather. So we do get rid of the grey as we head through the weekend, but unfortunately, it all turns a little bit soggy.